Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is foreknowledge. So, in scripture, foreknowledge is not just God knowing facts about people in advance. It's relational and personal God settings His love upon certain individuals belong creations, choosing them for salvation. This truth is closely connected to the doctrine of election. It reminds us that our salvation is not random or earned but rooted in God's eternal love and sovereign grace. He knew us intimately and lovingly even before we were born. So ayon po sa Romans chapter 8 verse 29 to 30, for those God foreknew, He also predestined to be conformed to the image of His Son, that He might be the firstborn among many brothers and sisters. And those He predestined, He also called; those He called, He also justified; those He justified, He also glorified. So ayon po sa ating katuruan, God's foreknowledge is not just for knowing, but also for loving. So, hindi lang daw po basta alam ni God ang mangyayari sa future. Kumbaga, minahal niya na tayo bago pa man tayo ipanganak. So, ang foreknowledge ay hindi lang head knowledge, kundi heart knowledge. So, may kasamang pagmamahal. So, kumbaga, hindi lang siya knowledge, basta may loving na pagmamahal din siya. So, next is, God's foreloving is the basis of, or the salutis, or foreknew, predestined, called, justified, or glorified. Yung pagmamahal niya bago pa man tayo mabuhay, yun ang naging simula ng buong. So, yung pagmamahal niya bago pa man tayo mabuhay, yun ang naging simula ng buong proseso ng kaligtasan natin. So, kaya tayo pinili, tinawag, or itinuring na matuwid at bibigyang karangalan dahil sa unang pag-ibig niya sa atin. So, next is, God's covenant relationship with us began from the eternal heart of God. So, ang relasyon natin kay God ay hindi lang nagsisimula nung naniwala tayo. Nagsimula ito sa puso niya pa mismo. Eternal, walang simula, walang katapusan. Talagang matagal ka na niyang mahal. So, para naman po sa ating application, trust God, unbreakable chain, and redemption. So, magtiwala ka na ang plano ni God sa kaligtasan mo ay sigurado at hindi mababali. Nagsimula ito sa pagmamahal niya at matatapos ito sa kaluwalhatian. So, next is, rest in God's unconditional love for us. So, huminga ka ng malalim, hindi mo kailangan patunayan ang sarili mo kay God. Minamahal ka na niya bago mo pa siya kilalanin. You are loved no matter what. So, last is, extend the same unconditional love to others. So, kung minahal tayo ni God ng walang kondisyon, ganun din ang dapat nating ibigay sa iba. So, kahit hindi sila perfect, kahit hindi nila tayo mahalin pabalik, magmahal pa rin tayo. And, ayun lang po, maraming salamat.